It's Tuesday afternoon and we got a truck in here. It's an '07 Nissan Frontier with a 4.0 liters engine, and the customer complained it has only high, the blowers only work on high. So let's confirm the complaint. So let's start the car. Alright. So this is the blower motor. So this is our heater. It's already on red. So let's put in number 1. Nope. No blower. Number 3. No. So it only works in number 4. Wait. Yeah. Hear that? I'll put it on number 3. Nothing. No blower. So I got an illustration here for the how your heater or AC blower in resistor works. So let's just make this very quick because it's getting dark now. So we'll start with your knob, where you select this one, the speed of your blower. So your blower motor, I mean a knob, and so it's connected onto the ground. So when you put it on number 1, so it's connected, the ground is connected on number 1. It goes into a resistor. Okay, so a resistor is like something that makes flow of the current less or slow. So that's why they call it resistor. It's a resistant. So let's say this is a 100% ground. So when it goes in here, so there is a resistance, and then another resistance, and it goes in here. So by the time it goes in here, it become already like, let's say 10%. So when it goes in here, the blower is very slow. And this is 12 volts. So when you turn on engine on. So when your key turn it on, so 12 volts will go in here, activate this, and then there's a direct 12 volts that will came from your battery, that goes all the way in here and goes to your blower motor. So if you put it in number 2, so it has only like 1 and 2 resistance, so probably it goes to like 50% of ground. Then if you put it on 30, probably it's 80% of ground. Then if you put in number 4, so it is direct feed, so there's no resistance in here, I mean a resistor, so it gives you 100% of a ground or negative. So this is 100%, your 12 volts, it's 100% current. So this blower motor is so fast. So basically that's how a motor blower, I mean a heater blower work. So the way we test this is check this 2 wire. Okay, so the best thing that we are going to do is probably put a lamp in here, a headlamp, and then turn this on. If the light will lit, meaning your resistor is working properly. But if you put it in number 1 and this one didn't work, probably there's a cut in here. So if there's a cut in here, there's no flow of negative, it will just stay in here. Same thing in number 2, if there's a cut in here, or especially if there's a cut on number 3. So if there's a cut in number 3, resistor 1 and 2 is affected. So why it's only 4 is working? Because number 4 is at the very end, and as you can see, if you put it on number 4, so this is your ground, you twist it like this one. So we need light, so this one, right? You twist that. Hold on. So when you twist it, I mean, you put it on number 1. That's it will pass by a 3 resistor, 2 resistor, and 1 resistor. Then if you go on number 4, so in here, if you go on number 4, so there's no more resistor that he will pass, so it's a direct feed. So your blower motor is working like on high. Okay, so now the location of our blower motor is in here. So let's do this quick. So I'm gonna get a light bulb probably, and then we will put this in here, and then let's see if it's how these things works. I'm gonna show you that 1 is not gonna work, 2 is not gonna work, 3 is not gonna work, but number 4 is gonna work because of this direct feed. Then we will put a new one, and then I'll show it to you, the light bulb. So the location of your lower connector is in here. So see that orange one, that's the 2 wire, and then the resistor is right there. So let me remove that, and I'll show it to you. So we're just gonna pull the orange tab and then press it, and then pull it. There you go. So I think you could see it. So that's the wire. So now I will be showing you hold on. Okay, so what we did is, so we hook up a 2 wire in here, right there. That's negative and positive. Then connect it on a lamp, a small lamp. So now I'm going to put it on. So that's, so key on right there. So it's key on. So it's getting late now, but it's better to explain, so at least you have an understanding of how these things work. So I'll put it in 1, no, 2, 3. So that's number 4. So see that it's on number 4. So it only works on number 4. So it's confirmed, it's only work on number 4. So I'll put on number 2, turn it off. So now we got our new, I'll show it to you. Our new resistor. This is our new resistor right here. So we're gonna put this one. So that's 4 wire of, yeah, sorry, it's getting dark. So look, let's put it on, and then let's see this wire. Okay, anyway, that's the location of our, right there, you can see that. That's it. We will be removing that. And I think there's a small tub in here. Let's remove this. We're almost done. There we go, come on. There we go. And then let's remove. So this is our resistor. So what we are going to do is remove it. So just pull it. Then let's put our new one. So this is our new one. So it's getting dark. So let's leave that over there. So basically we're still connected. So that's our, we're just gonna confirm it. So again, we're still connected with our bulb. So that's our small bulb connected in there, over there. That's the wire that going to the blower motor. So now we should see a dim light in here that going to, so that's number 1. See that? That's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Did you see that? A while ago when we put it in number 1, there's no, our bulb didn't light up. Now in number 1, so it light up now. See that? And number 2, I think I'm gonna turn off my light so you can see the changes of the brightness of the bulb. Okay, so let's start with number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So again, 1, 2, it's getting brighter, 3 and 4. So that's it. Now let's just put them together and then let's see if our blower motor works. Okay, let's start the car. Now let's see if the blower motor is working. See that? You hear that? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Nice. It's working now. You know what? Just turn it off. Stop the car. Let's just put it on number 1 accessory position. Actually we can turn this on. Just need a light. Hold on. Okay. Sorry. So I don't have. So let's put it on number 1 so you can hear it. Number 2, number 3, and 4. Oh, that's it. It's a fix. So let's go inside my garage and I will explain this. Okay, so it's better in here. We are here in my garage. So what we did in there is, see this 2 wire in here that goes to our blower motor. We insert this bulb, so it's basically just turn signal, and we put them in here, connected in here. This 2 wire, this 12 volts, and then this ground, and then we turn on the knob. So as we turn on the knob, this will light up. So at number 1 it's bright, then in number 2 it's getting brighter until it's very bright at number 4. That's basically what we did. So the problem I think is this, and as you can see in here, it's already rusted. So the resistor in here, I think it's broken. So I'm pretty much sure there's a broken somewhere on here between 3 and 4. So even though there's only like one broken in here, the flow of number 1 and number 2 will not go over on the blower motor because there is a cut in here. I hope you understand that. It's very simple diagram and system. It's just that you need to understand a little bit. So as you can see, there's a resistor in here, over here. This is what I'm talking about, okay? So this is the resistor, that's the resistor. So there you go. That's how you diagnose and fix a heater is AC blower and resistor of your any car. Usually this is the same with I mean like applied to every single car. Actually this is a ground control. There's also what we call a positive control, but we will gonna be discussing that on our next video. I think even I have so many illustration in here. Auto sensor, will sensor, call on plug, alternator. Here, that's the positive control. So almost the same with the ground control. It's just that our control is 12 volts instead of ground. So it also will pass on to a resistor. That's our blower motor. So that's it. So if you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.